Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Linux using sudo with least privilege, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Linux using sudo with least privilege, begin by opening your terminal. Familiarize yourself with the concept of the least privilege principle. This principle ensures that users only have the permissions necessary to perform their tasks. First, check your current user account by typing the command whoami. Next, review your current user privileges with the command groups. Now, to gain sudo access, you need to be part of the sudo group. Type sudo l to see what commands you can run with sudo. If your user does not have the necessary access, contact your system administrator to request inclusion in the sudo group. Once you are in the sudo group, test your sudo access by running a simple command like sudo ls. You will be prompted to enter your password. Enter your password securely and press enter. If successful, you will see the output of the command you executed. Now, let's explore the concept of specific commands with least privilege. Instead of running all commands as a super user, utilize sudo with specific commands only. For instance, if you need to install a package, run sudo apt-get install package name. This limits your administrative actions, reducing the risk of unintended changes. If you frequently use a command, you may consider configuring sudoers. Use the command sudo vsudo to safely edit the sudoers file. Make any necessary adjustments to grant specific privileges to your user account. Always make sure to specify commands carefully to adhere to the least privilege principle. Once you complete your administrative task, remember to exit the super user mode. You can do this by simply closing the terminal or using the exit command if you opened a subshell. By following these steps, you can effectively authenticate to Linux using sudo while maintaining least privilege. This approach enhances system security and reduces the risk of potential misuse. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.